Another concern that we get all the time from our customers is the sound. Everybody talks about how loud the game of pickleball is. So there's a couple options that we can do to help you come up with a solution for that, for your community and also for your backyard. One is there's paddles out there on the market now that really have a muffled sound. They don't have that same pop off the paddle when you hit the ball. The other thing is we actually have glass containment systems now that instead of chain link fencing, you can use our glass system, which actually reduces 50% of the sound of the ball when it strikes the paddle. So we definitely have options for sound.